Former sheriff's deputy convicted of killing both of his parents learns today he'll spend life in prison without the chance of parole.
Michael Moore shot Warren and Madge Moore to death at their home in Union in 2009. Local 12's Anjanette Levy joins us live at the Boone County Courthouse with today's sentencing. Any surprises here, Anjanette?
Really not any surprises at all, Rob. It was really a foregone conclusion that Michael Moore would be spending the rest of his life in prison. Judge Anthony Frohlich agreed with the jury's recommendation that Moore spend the rest of his life in prison without the possibility of parole. He could have given him a parole eligibility date, but he didn't do that. Now, Moore did not offer much reaction during the sentencing hearing. The former Warren County Sheriff's deputy had claimed during his trial that he killed his father, Warren, after his father shot his mother, Madge. As we know, the jury did not buy that defense. Today, the defense and the Commonwealth agreed that Michael Moore should spend the rest of his life in prison. Moore's brother and daughter spoke to the court.
Michael Moore squandered everything: his wit, his charm, and the parents who loved and supported him. He cost them the money they spent supporting him long after he should have been self-sufficient.
I would like to request that Your Honor keep the jury's recommendation of 2 life sentences without the possibility of parole. To my dad, I want to say that you have taken away 2 of the most important people in my life. You made a selfish act with no reason behind it.
Michael Moore also filed a motion for a new trial. That's pretty standard operating procedure in cases such as these. That was discussed just briefly today in court, but it was not addressed. Reporting live in Burlington, Anjanette Levy, Local 12 News. Rob?
I'm guessing that was an emotional moment when his daughter supported the sentence that was about to be set. Was that true?
Yeah, Rob, it actually was pretty emotional. I mean, this is a young girl. I believe she's a senior in high school. And she even said during her statement that she still loves her father, but that he took as you heard, 2 of the most important people in her life away from her. So she believes that he'll also be safer in prison because he has a very serious drug problem.
All right, Anjanette, thanks very much. Moore also faces 31 counts of doctor shopping and possessing a gun as a convicted felon. He'll be back in court on those charges in January.